So Kunal, the Bank Nifty has given you support when everybody wanted it. Nifty has managed to stage a relief rally at 24,000. Are we in for a few good days now?
Yeah, we should be in for a few good days, Nikunj. And we were discussing this point a couple of days back that the Bank Nifty holds the key for the markets from here on. Because if the Bank Nifty starts to show signs of strength, then it's very high, high likely that the markets could get back into its positive direction, at least over the very near term, or the sell-off or the intensity of the sell-off should abate significantly. Now, there are some very interesting data points which happened yesterday in terms of the data. So, first on the Bank Nifty, for the first time, I think in the last 8 or 9 trading sessions, we saw an unwinding of almost 9% in the open interest. That's almost 2,52,000 contracts for the Bank Nifty, and that's substantial because this comes as at a point where the Bank Nifty is not just given a short covering move, but also indicative that the Bank Nifty is heading towards a breakout of sorts on the short-term charts. Now, the 24,000 strike, which we were discussing yesterday, that it holds a lot of crucial importance because that's where option traders they tend to change their stance. Now, from call writing, we've now shifted back towards put writing on the index options, which means we are looking at a floor for the index built up at this 24,000 mark. And the third, the most interesting point is that the Nifty OI was, as it is, very light. We were trading at one of the lowest open interest for the Nifty futures over the last 3 to 4 months. So that also indicates that we are at a point where the markets were extremely light in terms of the positioning. So which means that the direction on the upside could be gaining momentum from here on. So expecting the markets to build on to the move from yesterday over the next couple of days.
Okay, expecting a build up from where we were yesterday, but yesterday was a stellar rally that we had at our hands, and maybe continuation of that is what Kunal expects at the moment. Our GIFT Nifty for now is also suggesting that it is going to be a bit of a positive start after the handover from the global markets has been quite strong. But what are the top recommendations, Kunal, coming in on a stock specific level?
So I'll go with SBI as a buy. I think it's a very interesting chart. The stock confirming a breakout yet again about that 800 to 820 plus mark, which has been a slew of resistance for SBI over the last few days. But then the strength, the volumes, the indicator push, I think all of that is auguring extremely well for the stock. So expecting the stock to move up higher towards 880 levels. Stop loss could be tailed to 830. And the second would be SBI and Oberoi Realty. It's a very interesting chart. The stock forming a classic bullish flag formation on the daily time frame charts. In fact, over the last 1 to 2 weeks, when the market sell-off was getting a lot more aggravated, the stock was holding above its long-term averages as well as even the 50 and the 20-day moving average. So expecting a breakout pretty soon for Oberoi Realty, targets of 2060, stop loss at 1950.
Thanks for that, Kunal, running us through his top technical recommendations.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.